Gouache painting techniques for an apple and a kerosene lamp. Composition arrangement. Ensure balance between the apple and the kerosene lamp. The lamp's verticality contrasts with the apple's round shape, and a triangular composition can create stability. Light and shadow rendering. Observe the primary light source to emphasize the metallic texture and transparency of the lamp's glass. Define the apple's volume using the transition between light and shadow, reflections, and cast shadows. Texture, representation. Kerosene lamp. Use fine brush strokes to highlight reflections on the metal and a thin glaze technique for the transparency of the glass. Apple. Follow the form with brush strokes to build texture and color gradients, ensuring a natural, smooth surface. Color application. The apple's red should incorporate yellow, orange, and purple variations to avoid flatness. The metal of the lamp can utilize warm and cool contrasts, such as warm grays with cooler blues, to enhance form. Pay attention to reflected colors. Hints of red from the apple may appear on the metal, unifying the composition. Brushwork and detail handling. Start with broad strokes, refining details gradually to avoid excessive fragmentation. Use reserved white or a palette knife to create crisp highlights on the glass. Apply clean white highlights on the apple to enhance its freshness and realism.